Hi, my name is Carmen. I'm a first time mom to a baby girl, and this is how we spend just a typical weekend at home. Every morning, I sing to her our good morning song, followed by some hugs and kisses. My friend Jason, who I've known for over 10 years, and his girlfriend Sin are both co-founders of the Asli Co. The Asli Co is a social enterprise which works on empowering Orang Asli women. So they sent me this care pack because they said I'm probably sleep deprived from taking care of the baby. The thing I'm really looking forward to is their Lavender aromatherapy eye pillow that's made of flax seeds. He said that this would really help me relax and get into a deep sleep. They also have a lavender linen spray that goes really well with the pillow. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How do you do? Good morning. Good morning. How do you do? Just washed your toys last night. It's still a bit wet, I think. Okay, let's put them back. So the night before, my husband and I worked on mounting the TV to the wall. It took a while since we had never mounted a TV to the wall before. We made this decision for safety reasons. She has started to pull up against the TV cabinet, and we were worried she might pull the TV. We were so tired from yesterday, so we didn't tidy up after we were done mounting the TV. apple, which I steamed and blended, oats and blueberries, and the bottom are just really ripe banana